What it do, YouTube? What it do? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the KB Show. And we got another shop vlog for y'all today with the $300,000 Range Rover SV. Just wanted to give y'all an update, man. Today is Tuesday, so I want to give y'all an update. What's going on back here, man? We got our amp rack completely done. We just got to build a cover beauty panel to go over our amplifiers and crossovers. And then you see we have our sub box getting built here, and this box is going to hold 310s. We just got to build around the fridge because this Range Rover comes with a $20,000 rear seat entertainment package, executive package, which I really like. So we got the rear seats put back in. We got the rear fridge put back in as well. And we have the trunk put back together for the most part now. So we got this side panel and all this put back on. So now we just have to build our false floor, get the sub box done, and this one will be out. Just wanted to give y'all an update, man, on Tuesday. Give y'all an update on the Range Rover. It's coming together, man. We almost done. Hell yeah, I'll tap in with y'all on the next one. Alright. Oh, and we gotta do the bass knob, I forgot. So we're gonna do a custom bass knob where the trunk switch goes. So yep, that's the only thing we got left. But yeah, tap in with y'all on the next one, man. Yes sir.